What's going on, everybody, man? Back for another video. Let me adjust this, make sure everything's good. Let's get it, man. So, first of all, hope everybody's doing well. It's midnight. I got done with everything, had a little downtime. I was like, why not hop on the charts? Then, when I got on the charts, I was like, why not chart with you guys? Because I don't have a video out yet of my charting system and how I go about getting ready. Hopefully we get better price action too. So let's get to it. Should be quick, man. Usually takes like maybe 10 minutes. So clear all these levels out, start from scratch. All right, so let's go for the monthly, see what's going on the monthly. So basically, obvious weakness. We have a level here at 23,500, kind of like a macro. You just want, you know what I'm saying, these larger time frame levels just to kind of gauge sentiment. So like if we are in it, you know what I'm saying, looking to trade, we know that we probably shouldn't be short into these macro levels. You know what I'm saying? Or if we see some real strength, we know why, because we are, you know what I'm saying, at a macro level. So there we go. We got 23,500. Let's just go ahead and, okay. Let's mark out the top of this monthly candle, this current month's candle, just to kind of have a gauge on, you know what I'm saying, what's happening. Let's put that right there. Previous month's low, is that a level? Previous month's low. Let me see what's going on right here. Okay. All right, weekly. Definitely have a flag here or just kind of a curl. Either one. Go ahead and mark out this 24K level. This is huge. This right here, honestly, in my opinion, if we're above this 24K, we're not crazy for looking for a kind of like an intermediate midterm uptrend. Because we held this, that means we have potential to potentially put in a lower high somewhere up in here. It says 24,600 and maybe even this 25K level. So above 25K is scary. I think we definitely rip it. We set a larger bull trend. So I'm gonna show you why I have this. Wait. Weekly level. This level. Okay, that's working out. 25,200. So I know I'm not explaining a lot. I'll probably explain more in depth in a later video. I just want you guys to see raw footage of me getting my levels together. And you know what I'm saying, kind of my thought process a little bit. So there you go. Yeah, this is definitely a good level right here. This 25,200. 25,500 is huge. Yeah, we're on the higher time frame, so bear with me. Yeah, I think that's pretty much for the weekly. What we have. Let's see daily. I remember last week this 24,600 being a big level, but okay, this is a little break and retest right here. What is this? Let's say 725. Little break and retest action on the daily. Might have some value there. Yep, you see this? I started right here. I didn't even see all this. So this is definitely a good level. You feel what I'm saying? This is how you find areas of interest. So if price gets up here, a breakout into this 25,200, or even a rejection, a lower high to continue lower and continue to bearish trend. Those are definitely two possibilities. So you want to look out for things like that at these kind of levels. Okay, I think that's good for the daily. Previous day's low, is that anything? I don't think so. 325. Yeah, I guess. I probably wouldn't do anything off of it, but I make sure just have it on the chart. Okay, never mind. See, no coincidence. This is actually a good level. And actually into this 350. So we kind of have like a zone. Not a level, it's kind of like a supply zone. If we break this zone, we definitely should see more upside. If we reject this zone, we should see more downside. It's kind of our sentiment gauge. This is actually pretty big. If we gap up above, look. This is my A plus, right? I'll put y'all on game. If we on Monday, you see the strength. If we continue with strength and gap up above this level, I would definitely look for a retest into this 325, 350 level for a move to the upside. That is top of the line right there. So that is actually amazing right there. I think we should be good. Why did I love this 24,600 last week? I think it was on the lower time frames. It was being respected heavily. I think it was that breakdown on Friday. Yeah. It's like let's see. Yeah, it's like a support term resistance right here. And then we had a massive move lower off of that 24,600. Okay. Should we chart ES together? Yeah, let's do it. Hopefully you guys don't get too bored, but see all these levels I have on ES? God dang. All right, let's redo them real quick. Should we redo them? Damn, these look good. Look at this rejection off this level I had. Oh my gosh. I'm not going to redo all these. I'm just going to look at them. This is a good, oh my gosh, this is respected. Like, bro, my levels are too clean. I can't even change them. Like, unless we add one right here. What is this? Oh my gosh, these are too clean. I didn't catch any of that downside though. I'm not gonna lie. I didn't want to trade. I guess I can keep these levels, man, because all right, y'all. Tomorrow on Sunday, I'll go over my trades for last week and kind of like my journal, my notes, and things that I want to improve on, things that rules I followed, and if I didn't follow any, I'll make sure to make those known and kind of just give a walkthrough of my approach and my trading process. But yeah, hopefully you guys enjoyed this video. Hopefully you got something from it. And if you want to know more about my system, my strategy, just go ahead and follow, like the video, and I'll continue to drop, man. I'll probably do some of these every week when I trade or update levels. So yeah, hopefully you guys, if you're trading this week, good luck, man. Market's been crazy, but again, appreciate y'all. Peace.